Hey everyone, if you're in telecom, electrical, fiber prep, general wiring trades, or anyone that wants a reliable, no-nonsense stripping tool in their kit, this video is for you. Hey, Garrett here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the Jonard Tools JIC-1022 wire stripper for 10 through 22 gauge wire. What it brings to the table and when to reach for it, let's jump in. Here are some key bullet points. It's built to cut and strip copper conductors from 10 to 22 gauge, so it handles everything from heavier general building wiring down to small signal conductors. The tool includes a coil spring to reduce hand fatigue during repeat use. Plus, there are bending holes conveniently placed so you can loop wire easily. Nice when you need to make pigtails or neat terminations. The blades are hardened, tempered, and ground for long life and consistent cuts and strips. The body is black oxide coated for corrosion resistance, good for job site environments. And it's reasonably compact, only 6.5 inches or about 16.5 millimeters long. And it weighs about 0.26 pounds or about 119 grams. Light enough to toss in your pouch without burden. So that's the JIC-1022. It's a rugged, versatile tool that covers a broad wire range and helps reduce fatigue. If your work involves mixing copper and fiber, or if you just want a solid, all-purpose stripper that won't let you down day in and day out, this one deserves serious consideration. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.